Well, we had 24 hours of deluge, lots of rain. So I'm going to a spot. There's this creek I know. It's 99% of the time it's dry, but I've been there a couple times after heavy rains, and it becomes a roaring stream. There's kind of like some little waterfalls and stuff. So I'm hoping that it'll be raging when I get there today. And right now it's dry, and the storms are over, so that's a good thing. It's been a really long time since I've been down this country road. It's one of my favorite country roads. It leads to one of my favorite campsites. Kind of feels good to be back on the road. And yeah, I love this forest. I love this road. I love this place. It's always good medicine for sure. Some sort of a finch right there. You know, after a storm, the birds are hunkered down. As soon as it ends, they need some grub, so they're out in an abundance this morning, hiking down this beautiful trail to see if those creeks are filled with water after all the rain we had. But it's gosh darn looking beautiful out here. Man, we need to save the stuff. You know, we gotta start saying, enough's enough. We have enough franchises and parkways and stuff like that. It's time to start saving the stuff before it's gone forever. Because once it's gone, it's not gonna come back. So, I know I preach that a lot, but I've seen it happen. And, better to have this than concrete, in my opinion. But enough. I'm ranting and raving. Let's just focus on the nature. I love to hear the wind through the pines. My favorite songs, favorite melodies. Best sounds in the world, in my opinion. Alrighty, I'm going to shut down for a moment till I get closer to where the creek is, and I hope to hear some rushing, raging water. Look at that nice fall color right there. Nice yellow. I don't know what type of tree it is, but it's sure pretty this time of year. It's been a while since I've been on this trail, so it brings back a lot of memories. I've been on this trail so many times, and it's one of my favorite trails, and it goes to one of my favorite campsites. And I've spent many a time out on this trail, and it's a beautiful day to be out on it, for sure. Alrighty, I'll check back in a bit as I get closer and closer to the creek. I know I keep focusing on the fall colors, but it's really rare. Usually most falls we don't have much, but this year has just been amazing with fall colors. By Florida standards anyway. Alright, I went off trail. Hopefully I'll find the trail again. I don't want to spend hours trying to find my way back, but I got attracted by the fall colors. It's so beautiful out here today. It's the perfect temperature. It's quiet. I'm just really, really stoked to have this little moment of serenity before going back to the nonsense, the civilized world. So I'm gonna take it in as long as I can, breathe it in, soak it in, and enjoy solitude, serenity, and the beauty of nature. And I think I'm getting close to that creek, so I'll check back in a little bit. Well, I thought with all the rain we would have that this creek would be running with lots of water, but it's not. I've been here before when it has really been flowing with lots of water. And what's kind of neat about it, this creek here, you know, again, being in Florida, it reminds me of more of a creek you'd see in the Appalachian Mountains with all the boulders and the decline in elevation. And when it really, really roars with lots of water, it really is cool. So I'm a little bit disappointed. I really thought with all the rain we had that it would really be flowing, but that's okay. I'm in a beautiful place. I'm calm. It's Mother Nature, and it's good medicine for sure. So I'm gonna stop my video here with a good mood, peace of mind, and serenity. See you. Beautiful. Enough said.